following some breaking news out of Iran after Iran threatens President Trump. Take a look at this social media post right now, sharing more details of this threat. This is from the New York Post, saying Iran issues a sickening assassination threat against Trump. Assassination threat against Trump. Quote, this time it will not miss the target. Quote, this time it will not miss the target.
Store later, and maybe I can find something that help. I'll get one of those some rabbit ears or something.
Why would a rabbit's ear help?
it out. Check it out.
Guess what job I just got?
I don't know, but Donald Trump wants his blue blazer black. Oh, but Donald Trump wants his blue blazer black.
What? Blue blazer back. He wants it back. Blue blazer back. He wants it back.
Wait, you said black. Why would he want his blue blazer black?
Well, you know what I meant.
No, you messed it up. You're stupid. Yes.
Mr. Trump,
Yes,
are you Batman?
I am Batman. Administration to another, or from one party to another. But we are transferring power from Washington, D.C., and giving it back to you, the people.
And we give it back to you, the people.
Zechariah 11. And the Lord said unto me, Take unto thee yet the instruments of a foolish shepherd. For lo, I will raise up a shepherd in the land, which shall not visit those that be cut off, neither shall seek the young one, nor heal that is broken, nor feed that standeth still. But he shall eat the flesh of the fat, and tear their claws in pieces. Woe to the idle shepherd that leaveth the flock! The sword shall be upon his arm, and upon his right eye. His arm shall be clean and dried up, and his right eye shall be utterly darkened.
Let me make you a promise. Under President Donald Trump, we're going to back the blue. Under President Donald Trump, we're going to back the blue.
Blue blazer back. He wants it back.
Murders in Atlanta are up 133%. Are up 133%.
I saw one of his heads, as it were, wounded to death, and his deadly wound was healed.
last year. 22 people killed in one weekend in Chicago, and you have 88 shootings. 22 people killed in one weekend in Chicago, and you have 88 shootings. Two people killed in one weekend in Chicago, and you have 88 shootings.